Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the gold gain 0.5% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The last session saw the Aussie gain 0.4% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Canada's main stock index rose as higher commodity prices boosted resource shares and the market transitioned to a faster trade settlement standard, while investors looked ahead to bank earnings reports this week. The Pepe price rose to a record high, a surge driven by the recent approval of key Ether exchange-traded fund filings in the US, prompting traders to view Ethereum-based meme coins as high-risk, high-reward opportunities. Amazon's computing unit, AWS, is in talks with Italy to invest billions of euros in the expansion of its data center business in the country as part of the tech giant's effort to boost its cloud offer in Europe.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting will be released at 7 GMT. The US S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Indices at 13 GMT. The US Consumer Confidence at 14 GMT. Australia's retail sales will be released at 1:30 GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT. Germany's Wholesale Price Index at 6 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.